right, folks, do not try this at home. What we are doing here is in a private environment. We are trained professionals. We're gonna take this boat and drop it in this private pond using a mobility scooter. Keep going. All right, that's good, that's good. That's it, that's all you need. Drop it in now. Get off the scooter and just give it a little push manually. There we go, all right. All right, so the boat's in the water. For the sake of this test, we really just want to get it in the water and see if it can pull it out. Now, we know it can get it in the water. That's the easy part. Question is, does this Wrangler scooter have enough power to pull it out of this steep incline? What do you think, Benji? Benji thinks so. Let's do it. Start winching it up to where it's on the trailer again. All right, so the moment of truth. Can this be pulled out of the water? Benji, come here. Let's get him out of there. Benji, you're in the danger zone. God forbid something. Come here, boy. Benji, come on. Come home. Come home. He's like, I am home. I'm a scooter dog, Dad. What do you want? All right, let's do it. Nice and slow. It's not moving? Okay. Give it a little momentum. There you go. Wiggle it, wiggle it. Wiggle it. There you go. It's coming. Maybe back it up a little bit. Yeah, and then you'll be able to get a little more momentum. Straighten out. You see how the boat's at an angle? Other way, other way. There you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. There you go, keep it going. It's Benji, it's Benji. He's so fat. Get Benji off. Benji, come on, Benji. You're too big. Get off the scooter. We got an error code?
Yep.
Okay, all right.
Probably blew the controller.
Nah, you didn't blow the controller. It's overheating. So let's see. Let's get Benji off. Benji, come here. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Hey, come here. Benji, come here. Come on. Give him a little nudge. Benji, come here. Come on. Let's go. Come on, fatty. Come on, pork chop. Benji, come here. Come here. Let's go home. Really, boy? Come on, man. Let's go. There's a hamburger over here. Come on. Let's go. 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 Come on.
Benji.
Come on, man. Really? See if, let's see if you can walk it. It's not straight. That's the problem. You see what I'm saying? The wheels and the boat and the scooter all need to be straight. Hold on. Straighten out the front end. Pull the front end away from me. It won't let you? Okay. Well, we can't say we didn't try. It definitely cannot pull a 15-foot John boat out of the water. Oh!
But if you had a quick underside, what it looks like real.
What happened? It's all right, baby.
That's why you don't do this stuff.
That's why we are trained. We are trained professionals.
I figured that this may happen. That's why I got off the scooter. So it is not smart.
Not smart.
To put a boat into a lake, period, or any body of water, because
this will happen. All right, so we've been trying to pull it out. It's not happening. We're gonna have to get a set of tow hooks with the truck, hook it up to the tow hooks, and pull it out.
That's what we gotta do.
So lesson learned, don't forget to put your plug in, even if you're not going fishing and all you're doing is staging a funny YouTube video, because you will get water in the hole.
Lessons will be learned.
Well, folks, we tried to pull the boat out of the water with the Wrangler, and I think this ramp's just a little too steep, so not gonna happen. Fun to try. It's powerful enough to drop it in, and we've definitely towed full-blown SUVs, pickup trucks, no problem, but pulling something up a ramp like a boat on a trailer, I guess it all depends on the steepness of the ramp. In this case, not happening. So we're gonna have to get the truck and actually pull the Wrangler out with some tow hooks and cable. Hope you guys enjoyed this debauchery and shenanigans. Don't try this at home. It's for entertainment purposes only, guys. I mean, come on, that's what the Mobility Direct's YouTube channel is all about, entertainment. Yes, education as well, but we don't want to bore you to death with a bunch of product review videos and a monotone voice with a little prop backdrop with our logo in the background, right? Hope you're enjoying. We'll be right back with you. All right, so here comes Drew to the rescue. All right, Drew, pull up. All right, so he's gonna pull up nose to nose. Benji's just gonna chill right there like the little meatball that he is. We'll get the cables going and hopefully be able to just tow it right out. All right, so unfortunately we weren't able to get it out. Are the brakes in neutral? Okay, let's do it, let's pull it out. All right, we did it. All right, well, we didn't lose the boat, and at least now we know the Wrangler is powerful, but it definitely has its limitations. It's definitely not the same power as a gas combustion engine, but that was fun, guys. Let us know what you think about this in the comments. No children or animals were harmed in the making of this video. Quite the contrary, we all had a great time. Thank you for watching, for supporting our shenanigans. Until next time, everybody, I'm Sergio. That's Drew. We're with Mobility Direct. Catch you next time. What's up, everybody? It's me, Sergio, with Mobility Direct, and I'm gonna show you a bunch of clips of random giveaways that we've been doing dating back to about 2018. We've given away so many mobility scooters and power wheelchairs that it's mind-blowing. And if you want to be a part of this, all you have to do is help spread the word about our YouTube channel. Share our channel, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, just engage with our YouTube videos. That's gonna help get the word out there, and it's gonna help us afford more giveaways just like the one that you're seeing on the screen now, which was the first one we did back in like 2018, I think. We didn't even have microphones back then. So I apologize for the shaky video and audio quality. Something else that you can do though, if you're interested, is shop at Mobility Direct. If you or someone you know needs a mobility product, tell them about mobilitydirect.com. Not only are they gonna get non-commissioned sales experts to help them out, they're also gonna be contributing towards that giveaway movement. Every purchase that we get helps us fund more giveaways in the future. So you're not only gonna get awesome pricing, 5-star rated customer support, you're gonna be helping somebody out in the future get a mobility scooter that otherwise couldn't afford one. With that being said, grab a tissue, grab some popcorn, and enjoy the video.
He's 100 years old. Not only is he 100 years old, but he is also an Army World War II vet, and he has an amazing story. I really appreciate you serving our country and doing everything that you have for us. My company loves to give back to our veterans. As a token of our appreciation in serving this amazing country, this is your scooter, sir. We're giving this scooter to you for free.
Really appreciate it.
Absolutely. You're so welcome.
Hello, Mike. This is Andrew, my best friend.
That's my friend.
Hey, no problem, man. Enjoy it, all right? God loves you, and we want to help you get around a little bit better. And this is something that we try to do every so often, and it has some suspension on there too, so you're not gonna feel the cracks in the road as much. Tell us your first thoughts. What do you like about it? What don't you like about it?
There's nothing I don't like about it. In fact, I like everything about it. I'm happy I got it. I thank Travis and you guys, but most of all, I thank God.
All right, then it's all yours.
Appreciate you, brother.
So, again, just like his, you can sit down on it, lift the armrest up, go for your first ride. Woo! So what do you say we go hook up Ricky next?
Let's go get Ricky going.
Let's go put a smile on Ricky's face.
We gotta get the gang back together.
That's it. I want to get a shot of you guys like a biker gang going down the street. Have a seat in your brand new Chariot. All black.
All black. Woo! How's that feel?
How your legs feeling? How's that hip feeling now?
What hip?
So, it's yours.
Oh man, thank you so much.
Ricky, thank you for just being a good person and, you know, putting God first. And
Appreciate you,
got the
Ricky.
charge. I'm Sergio, by the way.
How you doing, Bob?
Nice to meet you, Bob. Brings us joy to bring others joy, and hopefully he can have fun with it.
He's never been so happy.
Look at that smile. He's smiling from ear to ear.
I just put it out there, you know.
Oh, don't cry. Can I give you a hug?
Perfect size for him.
What were you saying?
I said it's a godsend that I got this. It's a miracle, really. I needed it desperately.
So this mobility scooter, it can be a little heavy and hard to transport.
Shoulders might be broken, and the wrist is broken. So I can't lift anything. Just to lift the pasta pot is hard for me.
We brought you a folding mobility scooter.
You're kidding.
Or this one.
You're gonna make me cry.
Nope, we're serious.
John,
It's brand new and it folds. It's lighter, very easy to work with. Looks like, you know, that's what we do, man. We just bless people that are subscribed to us, and
Some beautiful weather out. Make sure you get out and enjoy it, man.
how you doing? I'm Sergio. This is Travis.
Man, nice to meet you, bro. I'm Drew. Nice to meet you.
It's gonna be a little easier than that cane. Yeah. Test her out.
Oh, right, man.
Oh, clean wheels, Dad. This like early Christmas.
He's hungry. He's like, get out my way. I'm hungry. I'm going to get me some food right now. Hey, I heard you're using this wheelchair right now, and it's kind of tough. Why don't you go look right over there? I got my best friend Andrew with me. He's got something for you.
Hi, Rhonda.
Oh my god.
How are you?
Oh wow. Oh my god.
This is your scooter, ma'am.
Honey, I don't know how to thank you.
Hey, you're very welcome.
This must be Barbara. How you doing, Barbara? I know it's not going to solve all your problems. I know you've had the flood. You want to try it out?
Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful.
You like it?
Oh, I love it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
All you did was what?
I
Subscribe?
subscribed. That's
And you got called?
yes, and I got called, and I love the channel, and you guys care about us.
I'm so glad that the scooter ended up in, you know, your hands, someone that really can use it and appreciate it.
Yeah, really have no idea. I really thank you so much.
No problem. Can I get a hug?
Yes,
Another hug?
definitely.
Enjoy the fresh air.
There you go.
There you go. Nice. So I got you one. Hope you don't mind. It's just, yeah, this is yours. This is all yours. You know, you needed one and you're using a manual one and it's kind of hurting a little bit. So don't cry. Oh, come on. Can I get a hug? No, don't. It's okay. Don't cry. You should be excited. This is for you. Nice and smooth, right? Not too bad. She got her power wheelchair. She loves it. And we couldn't be happier to help somebody out. Hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel and you could be the next lucky winner. Isn't that right?
thank you, Sergio.
Thank you for subscribing and supporting our YouTube channel. I hope you enjoy your power chair.
It's going to be a huge help, an absolute huge help. Thank you. Thank you
You're very welcome.